Hello and welcome. In this video I am going to show an overview of the latest version of MEPIS Linux with the KDE Plasma desktop, and some of the applications pre-installed. MEPIS Linux is a mid-weight Linux operating system based on Debian stable and using core antiX components, with additional software created or packaged by the MEPIS community. It is developed as a cooperative venture between the antiX and former MEPIS communities to use the best tools and talents from each of these distributions. The community's stated goal is to produce a family of operating systems that are designed to combine elegant and efficient desktops with high stability and solid performance. MEPIS Linux uses the Xfce desktop environment as its flagship, to which it adds a freestanding KDE Plasma version and a unique Fluxbox implementation. Other environments can be added or are available as spin-off ISO images. MEPIS Linux began in a discussion about future options among members of the MEPIS community in December 2013. Developers from antiX then joined them, bringing the ISO build system as well as live USB DVD technology. MEPIS Linux has basic tools like a graphic installer that handles UEFI computers, a GUI-based method to change a Linux kernel and other core programs. It includes MEPIS tools, a suite of user-oriented utilities, many of which were developed specifically for MEPIS, while some were forked from existing antiX applications or are existing antiX applications. A couple were imported with permission from outside sources. A particularly popular one is MEPIS Snapshot, a GUI tool to remaster a live session or installation into a single ISO file. The cloned image is bootable from disk or USB flash drive, maintaining all settings, allowing an installation to be completely backed up, and/or distributed with minimal administrative effort, since an advanced method of copying the file system, developed by antiX Linux, uses bind mounts performing the heavy lifting. MEPIS Linux was first released on March 24, 2014. MEPIS Linux uses Xfce as its init software and supports X3, X4, JFS, RicerFS and Xfce file systems. For package management, MEPIS Linux uses apt. Here you can see the commands to install software from the command line using the apt package manager. MEPIS Linux 19.4 includes version 5.10.0 of the Linux kernel. Some of the default applications of the latest release are Firefox, Thunderbird, GAMP, VLC, and LibreOffice. Let me know your thoughts about MEPIS Linux in the comments section below. Thank you for watching the video, and please help the channel by sharing, leaving a like and subscribing.